Mbia mono sana umwanchi umulia beta senike ya Ndizi TV no gosemera kone mna kwabere kugutwara ubuligiriria borubia nabo igokwego kelia emirobelio a aimigita senike igane biro bindende ngo kwaligania asemesa ya mangana maya elinde ngumanye na rebereka gokolekana kora chingongo chensi inye chense asinse mo chiche mitandao asensemo ya Facebook na bagotonyara gwetera Ndizi TV News Digital nabo igasense meria YouTube gwetera Ndizi TV News asensemo ya website na bagotonyara gwetera www.ndizitv.net irietariane Fridah Kerubo nalio kaeneke mna chibi channel yogire gwikira sole asenchira ya bene nigakuru kwa Abigail Nyanchama tuskato nyegerangu irananda sigi keke Kerubosio elinde ngomanye amange. Amayia yebirebiga umwanchi umulia ngo kumanyuna amatemu yekiraski ya gatano na limo na boigo gatano na gatatu ni gabakago chakabene ase ensengi mali tukolerero Moraibense Dr. William Ruto ni gabakago ikirana ase skuru yoboroso ya Kikuyu Township asabaga koganelia aborokigwa Amayia chinga kicho koleri bwabo ase nekibuna nigo amatemu ayo arabega kubasikia gocha ase kerengo kende.
Watoto wetu karibu 1,200,000 wanaofanya grade 6 na 1,400,000 wanaofanya KCPE ya standard 8 wote. Na watakia heri, na watakia baraka ya Mungu, utulifu mkubwa na ushindi katika mtihani huu. Kila mmoja wenu mjue ya kwamba wakati mnafanya mtihani ambayo mnaenda kufanya leo asubuhi, mjue ya kwamba hii mtihani ni ya kuwasaidia muweze kusonga mbele katika masomo yenu. Wengine wenu mtaenda grade 7, wengine wenu sasa mtaenda form 1, na katika hiyo safari yote wazazi wenu, viongozi wenu, serikali ya Kenya itaambatana pamoja na nyinyi tukiwa na Mwenyezi Mungu.
Waziri w'ekisemi Ezekiel Machogomba kini gabaga kwenekea oguchakigwa kwa matemwa anemono asa matemwa y'ikirasi kya gatano na limo akepsea ase ntunde ya kabiri okwananigo aenekemna niga matemwa yo arengete kolingolia ngaya borokyo babiri bagwikira asa enekemna asa matemwa akepsea nigo aborokya emilioni yemo chiribuchi mibere emeronge 32 chimisano emeronge 35 nomo baba gwikaransa ase amatemu ayo kulenda asa amatemu manene yekirasi kya gatano na gatatu ni gaene kibuna ase miaka emeronge 35 ni gaborokyo babiri bagakora amatemu ya KCP ase ntunde yomo elio aborokigwa emilioni yemo chiminye chimi chiribunye na 15 chimi sato na 15 niko baba gwikaransira amatemu ayo.
This very special day, not only here in Kikuyu Township, but the entire country. Kibusea, today, Your Excellency, we are having 32,574 examination assessment centers in the entire country, with 1,282,584 pupils doing that particular exam. The purpose of that exam, Your Excellency, is not for placement, but for assessment on the progress of our pupils at that particular level of grade 6. And they are well prepared, Your Excellency, and all of them are going to proceed to grade 7. We have enough classrooms, Your Excellency, in the entire country where they will be able to proceed with their studies. We also have the last cohort of KCPE, having done it for the last 38 years, Your Excellency, since 1985. This is the last one. We have 1,415 1,315 pupils doing this exam countrywide with 28,000 centers, and all of them, Your Excellency, are prepared. As a ministry, we thank your government because we have a multi-agency team which is monitoring this exam countrywide, and we assure you, Your Excellency, that all is moving.
Tinga kicho boigoni go muwaziri machogu abaga kwenekelia abaiboli nambali go chikomenta school fees okwana ase skuru ya Kikuyu Township ni gane kemna nige school fees yera chigotigara buna yarenge ase omwaka ogocha.
And Your Excellency, also to assure Kenyans that your government is not increasing their fees when they go to Form 1, and all of them who are here are going to be placed in Form 1. We have enough places. There is no school fees increment. It is 53,000 for national schools and extra county schools, and 45,000 for county schools, and it is going to remain as such.
Homo District County Commissioner Wilberforce Kilonzo ni gabaga kwenekia okoigura kwe container ya matemwa amanene litukolia lero asa kemna niga matemwa bereka gwikirana gochia ase chiskuru kolende wetania aboroki gwa chiribu emerongo 53 mbaba gwikaransira amatemwa yo ime county ya Kisii okwana ni gabaga kubolia abaiboli kweneke mnango abale aboroki gwa chinga kichinyororo asogokora matemwabo.
Majina, mimi naitwa Wilberforce Kilonzo, mimi ndiye Deputy County Commissioner Kisii Central Sub-County. Kisii Central Sub-County ndio pia sehemu ambayo kwa bunge inaitwa Nyaribari Chache. Asubuhi ya leo ningetaka kuwadhibitishia wananchi wa eneo hili kwamba mimi pamoja na maafisa wenzangu kutoka idara ya elimu na idara ya usalama tumeweza kuwakabidhi wasimamizi wa mashule mitihani yote mitatu ambayo itafanyika siku ya leo. Siku ya leo kuna mtihani wa KCPE, kuna mtihani pia wa Kisii, pia tuna mtihani wa KCSE, somo la home science. Tumeweza kuwakabidhi wote na wameandamana na maafisa wa usalama, na tuna imani kwamba hiyo mtihani inaweza kufanyika kulingana na utaratibu ambayo umewekwa na idara ya Kenya National Examination Council. Ombi letu kama viongozi wa wazazi wote na wakaaji wa sehemu hii ni kwamba tuwapatie watoto wetu mazingira yanayofaa ndio waweze kufanya mitihani yao vizuri.
Tinga kicho boigo ime county ya Nyamira nigo okoigora gwe container kwa bago kwenekigwa bene no mu county commissioner Onesmus Kitha uyabaga kwenekigwa buna nigo amatemwa bereka gwikirana ase chiskuru kolende nigo abaga kurwa egekure getindi asibali bonsi babwate omorobili obogo chigoturubania amatemwa manene asabaga kwenekibuna goikaba imukirigwe egetambukiro kebwenerete.
We are prepared all the teams na tuko na adequate security ya kutosha katika kaunti nzima, na pia tunashukuru Mwenyezi Mungu kwa sababu hali ya anga sio mbaya. Naona is a bright day. Tunatarajia kwamba leo mtihani wetu utaendelea bila tatizo lolote, bila shida yoyote kwa mambo ya usafiri, na kama kutakuwa na shida sisi tuko tayari. We have secured adequate vehicles na serikali ya police, even from the county government wametupatia some extra vehicles to ensure that tuna cover all the areas ambayo tunafikiria the train is not very friendly. Kwa hivyo sisi hatutarajii shida kubwa sana siku ya leo. Yetu ni kushukuru, kuombea watoto wetu waweze kufanya mtihani kwa ile njia ambayo imewekwa, utaratibu umewekwa. Vile mnajua leo kuna watoto wengi sana katika kaunti yetu ambao nimeangalia ile idadi nikapata kwamba karibu almost 49,000, close to 50,000 students they are sitting for these exams ya Kisii, ya KCPE na ile nyingine ya KCSE. Kwa hivyo hiyo idadi ni kubwa sana, na mimi vile niliomba kwamba tukue na ushirikiano na tupatie watoto wetu nafasi. Naomba wananchi na washikadau wote nafasi ya kufanya mtihani. Tutarajii kukuwa na visa vya udanganyifu, na ule atajaribu atakabiliana na mkono mkali sana wa sheria.
Haborokia kurwase kiumbe gia kupet ni gobeso kiribene na boigo kogosereria utacharukia amatemwa manene a KCSE onye obuteneneri bwa amatemwa ayo mbogo chigokora amonchirilio abwenerete ayango bwatikana no konyorogo ke babiri bakonyora kubwatikana no gocharuki kwa amatemwa ayo asiba bakoeneke nani go kwabeire ogokemono na boigo ni go kwabeire go konyorwa okwana omokonyi bo mugachibwe kiumbe kyo Ronald Tanui nigo aboririe serikali gwesona nigati na boigo kuimukie gitambo kibwenerete asiba aboririe amonchirilio a gokorekana.
We urge the minister in charge of NEC to ensure that NEC is fully funded, that there is adequate funding of exam council, so that they can be paying the teachers immediately after marking, and so that the rates per paper, the rates being paid per paper needs to be improved.
They also improve on the circumstances so so that our members are not treated like children, so that when they report to marking centers, they are taken to dormitories. We want this stopped. We want our members to report to hotels, 3-star hotels to be released. Let this be the last warning. Next time we shall call our teachers out on strike and they're not reporting those marking centers.
We presented information that was coming from teachers, and by the end of the day we were told that there was no evidence that there was exam leakage. But if that was the case, why has the ministry now decided that principals will be collecting exams in the morning and in the afternoon if there was no exam leakage? So our stand is teachers must be protected from those hooligans, from those profiteers who are selling exams.
They should look for better ways of manning exams. So we are saying that the bullying of teachers during this period.
Abanyanyimbo ba Jesu emambe ya lero nigo baba kumutanga omugavana we county ya Kisii Paul Simba Arati asogosoa ase chiabisi chiae chigotoka ase getige chigosori kia Gusii Stadium kolendego ikirabono iga ekerengagio kumutanga ngeraba gekoenekigwa okwana nabalikiba mangana nigo mugavana Simba abagakubolia abanyanyimbo gotiga gutumekwa bobe asa bagakoenekebne ni gavana boda kurase county ya Kisii babeire ba kwerubilia bwikiranu nabo igokorosia chilifrekta chiabo.
Nothing of the sort. If anybody was misusing the police, who is in charge of the police in this country? The question is, who is in charge of the police? Why should the police be misused? I'm told they were forcing these young people to remove their jackets, which they are printed by themselves. You know, they thought it's me who had printed for them the t-shirts, the jackets, reflectors. Another one. Those people, they are organizing themselves to raise money because they have been in poverty for long. Therefore, it's wrong. Even the police, I'm told, they are the people then removing them and giving some goons here to bag. How? How do you do that? Therefore, another story of trying to kill the spirit, which you have said in development of our county, it will be defeated.
Ekigambiro gia Kenya gwetera asoboteneneri bw'abanachi ebina nigo babere bagwesokia bene nabo igokubolia abakenya abo babete bakubika kibesa asokugamba ebina byabo gose babete bagukia chi title deed ase ekigambiro elinde ko batenenera kugamba ebina byabo wesokia bene nabo igokoeneke muna nkobyo yebale okwana nigo baenekia ogoichirira nakwe bintu ase ebigambiro ase baeneke na onye bine bibya bere bikoera abanyene babe bagwesoke bene nabo igokoya enibo yabo.
The 41 million that is pending, because what happens on the 1st of November, the institution has to remit the unclaimed assets to the Unclaimed Financial Assets Authority. So this 41 means that the matters have already been concluded, but the parties have not come to collect their deposits. With the 5 billion is what has been ongoing. The matters are pending and also the concluded matters. So at every given year, then we do an audit on how much has been pending for the last 1 year. So the person who deposited is the person who is supposed to, or the person whose name is on the receipt is the one who's supposed to come and claim for the money. Then we forward them to the Unclaimed Financial Assets Authority. We do not retain it. That's what I'm saying. After 1 year, the money then, and that is on the every 1st of November, the money is claimed. But right now, we are saying Kenyans to go to every court station, the court station where you deposited your money, and in case you find the money has been sent to UFA, then you can still claim from them. The process is the same, but at
Mwanju murigereria kurwa soro botiuruni na ikiro moelio wa mangana ya asibire biga kulinde toska tonyegera ekoraga ensa eyemo ayona mange nyora senchera iyo wekiranu nabo kwenda gutubwatia Chinsa mochichi mitandao asensemo ya Facebook gwetera Ndizi TV News Digital nabo igasense ya YouTube gwetera Ndizi TV News asensemo ya website nabo gotunya gwetera www.ndizitv.net maiga kamera soko ene kibuna ebichana boigelio gira gukira sole asenchira ya bene nere Abigail Nyancha meritariane Fridah Kerubo twara obuligereria borobia.